Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and this is our special series on daily news review. In our previous video, I asked few questions, so let's see their solution first. First question was, when does International Day of Girl Child is observed? And correct answer for this question is 11th of October. Next question was, Sastra Ramanujan Prize 2022 was awarded to whom? And correct answer for this question is Yungping Tangzing. So without wasting any time, let's see what is in the news. Babia, the only vegetarian crocodile that lived in the pond of Sri Anant Padmanabha Swami temple, Kerala, dies. The crocodile ate only rice and jaggery offering at the temple had been a major attraction among devotees who attributed divinity to the otherwise carnivorous animal. It is believed that the temple is the original seat or Mool Sthanam of Padmanabha, that means Lord Vishnu, the deity at the famous Sri Padmanabha Swami temple in the state capital Thiruvananthapuram. Moving on to the next news, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi inaugurated the first phase of rupees 850 crore Mahakareshwar temple corridor development project in Ujjain to boost Mahakal temple glory. Also keep this in your mind that this corridor is also known as Mahakal Lok. So moving on to the next news, skilling of girls in non-traditional livelihood includes in Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme. Expanding the mandate of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme, the central government on Tuesday announced the inclusion of skilling of girls in non-traditional livelihood options in its flagship program. The scheme will focus on increasing the enrollment of girls in secondary education, particularly in STEMs like science, technology, engineering and mathematics. A memorandum of understanding is signed between Ministry of Women and Child Development, Skill Development, Entrepreneurship and Minority Affairs. चलिए, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ अगर आपको याद हो तो जनवरी 2015 में इसको लॉन्च किया गया था विद द एम टू एड्रेस सेक्स सिलेक्टिव अबॉर्शन एंड द डिक्लाइनिंग चाइल्ड सेक्स रेशियो विच वाज एट दैट टाइम वाज 918 for every 1000 boys in 2011. This is especially a joint initiative of Ministry of Women and Child Development, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Ministry of Human Resource Development. So moving on to the next news, Chief Justice of India Uday Umesh Lalit recommended the most senior Supreme Court Judge Justice D.Y. Chandrachud as his successor. Justice Chandrachud, who was elevated to the Supreme Court in May 2016, will have a term of 2 years at the head of judiciary in India and will retire on November 10, 2024. He will become the 50th Chief Justice of India. Also, as the son of former CJI Y.B. Chandrachud, he will create history, because this will be the only father-son duo to have served as CJIs. Notably, the son has at least on 2 occasions set aside the judicial opinions of his father. While writing the lead verdict in Supreme Court's landmark judgment in 2017 on the right to privacy, in Justice Chandrachud overruled the opinion of his father in the controversial ADM Jabalpur case. अगर आपको जबलपुर एडीएम केस के बारे में कुछ जानकारी है तो आप हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में से बता सकते हैं. In the next judgment, Justice Chandrachud set aside his father's view in upholding the law of adultery under Section 497 of the IPC in Joseph Shine versus Union of India. चलिए, तो यहाँ ये भी जान लेते हैं कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल प्रोविज़न क्या कहता है जजेस के अपॉइंटमेंट को लेके. हालांकि हम 12 अगस्त की न्यूज़ में इसको बहुत अच्छे से कवर कर चुके हैं. आई विल बी शेयरिंग द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. गो थ्रू दैट न्यूज़ वन बाय वन. चलिए, तो आर्टिकल 124 clause 2 talks about the judge of Supreme Court is appointed by the President. The Chief Justice is appointed by the President after consultation with such judges of the Supreme Court and High Court as he deemed necessary, that is collegium. The other judges are appointed by the President after the consultation of Chief Justice and other such justices of Supreme Court and High Court as he deemed necessary. The consultation with the Chief Justice of India is obligatory in case of appointment of judges other than the Chief Justice of India. There is a memorandum of procedure, that means the Chief Justice of India would recommend it the senior most judge of Supreme Court to be the next CJI. चलिए यहाँ समझ लेते हैं कॉलेजियम सिस्टम है क्या. So the collegium system is a system under which appointment, elevation of judges, transfer of judges also are decided by a forum of Chief Justice of India and 4 senior most judges. हालांकि यहाँ आपको याद रखना ज़रूरी है कि जब हम कोलेजियम सिस्टम की बात करते हैं तो इट इज़ नॉट मेंशन्ड इन द ओरिजिनल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन नॉर इन द सक्सेसिव अमेंडमेंट्स. सो द कोलेजियम comprises the Chief Justice of India along with the 4 senior most judges. This system has been in trend since the verdict of second judge case of 1993. चलिए आगे बढ़ने के पहले यहाँ समझ लेते हैं कि सेकंड जज केस आखिर है क्या. देखिए फर्स्ट जज, सेकंड जज या थर्ड जज केस को समझने के पहले हमें समझ लेना चाहिए कि आखिर हुआ क्या था. तो 1973 में जो फेमस केशवानंदा भारती केस हुआ था, in which इंदिरा गांधी अपॉइंटेड जस्टिस A.N. रे एज दी CJI, जिन्होंने अपने ऊपर बैठे हुए 3 सीनियर मोस्ट जजेस को सरप्राइज किया था, एंड दिस लीड टू द टसल बिटवीन द एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड जुडिशरी. तो हम देख लेते हैं कि एग्जीक्यूटिव वर्सेस जुडिशरी में क्या क्या हुआ है. सो द फर्स्ट जज केस वाज द SP गुप्ता वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया, in which the decision said that consultation doesn't mean concurrence. Therefore, President is not compelled to obey the suggestions given by the Chief Justice of India. हालांकि हम यहाँ इसे इस तरीके से भी बोल सकते हैं that it declared that the primacy of Chief Justice of India recommendation of judicial appointments and transfer can be refused for cogent reasons. The ruling gave the executive primacy over the judiciary in judicial appointment for the next 12 years. Then we have second judge's case 1993, जिसमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये बोल दिया that introduction of collegium system, right, holding that consultation really mean concurrence. Earlier मैंने आपको एक लाइन बोली थी जो कि आपको याद रखना है. पहला डिसीजन क्या कहता था कि कंसल्टेशन डजंट मीन कंकरेंस, बट इन 1993 इट सेड दैट कंसल्टेशन रियली मीन कॉन्करेंस. It also added that it was not the CJI's individual opinion but as an institutional opinion formed in consultation with the 2 senior most judges in Supreme Court. फिर आ जाता है हमारे पास थर्ड जज केस जो कि हुआ था 1998 में. इसमें बोल दिया गया था कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑन प्रेसिडेंट्स रेफरेंस एक्सपैंडेड द कॉलेजियम टू 5 member बॉडी दैट कंप्राइजेस चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया प्लस 4 मोस्ट सीनियर जजेस. तो आप देख रहे हैं किस तरीके से इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ. पहले में क्या बोल दिया गया था कि कंसल्टेशन डजंट मीन कॉन्करेंस. सेकेंड जजेस केस ने क्या बोला दैट कंसल्टेशन मीन्स कॉन्करेंस. इसी के साथ क्या हो गया, चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया प्लस 2 सीनियर मोस्ट जजेस को कॉलेजियम के लिए बिठाल दिया गया. थर्ड जजेस केस ने क्या बोला, यहाँ पर द चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया अलॉन्ग विथ 4 मोस्ट सीनियर मोस्ट जजेस डिसाइड करेंगे कि कौन नेक्स्ट चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया बनेगा. देखिए इसी के साथ एक चीज़ और आपको याद रखना ज़रूरी है. मैंने आपको 1973 बताया था जहाँ पर क्या हुआ था, A.N. रे को इंदिरा गांधी ने अपॉइंट किया था. इसी के बाद 1977 में एम यू बेग साहब को भी क्या किया गया था, अपॉइंट किया गया था एज द चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया, जिन्होंने भी उस समय के जो मौजूदा सीनियर मोस्ट जजेस थे उनको सप्रेस किया था. इसी के बाद हमारे पास क्या आ जाएंगे, all the judgments like first judge's case in 1981, I am repeating it again, then second judge's case of 1993 and the third judge's case of 1998. और यहाँ पर इन सब के बाद ख़त्म होगा टसल बिटवीन दी जुडिशरी एंड एग्जीक्यूटिव. आपको मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना है कि जो अभी हमने फर्स्ट जज केस, सेकंड जज केस और थर्ड जज केस देखा, इसमें से किस में कोलेजियम सिस्टम को इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था। चलिए, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट न्यूज़। Atmanirbhar in defense production, India stands among Indo-Pacific nation. The 12 countries in the study were selected because they have been the highest military spending in region like Australia, China, India, Indonesia, Japan, South Korea, Malaysia, Pakistan, Singapore, Taiwan, Thailand and Vietnam. India ranked 4th among the 12 Indo-Pacific nations in self-reliant arm production capabilities. According to the study released this month by the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, a widely respected independent resource on global security, China tops the list, whereas Japan ranks the second, South Korea secures the place third, and Pakistan is at the 8th number. So basically there are three indicators of self-reliance. First is arm procurement. That means import, licensed and domestic production as a proportion of government's total procurement of major conventional arms. Next is arm industry. The study presents the 5 largest arm companies in each country where data are available ranked by sales of arms and military services in 2020 to both domestic as well as export customer. Third and the last one is uncrewed maritime vehicles. The sea equivalent of drones covering both uncrewed surface vehicle, that is USVs, and uncrewed underwater vehicles, that is UUVs, meant to provide a qualitative understanding of how countries are engaging domestic research institute and firms to produce such cutting edge system. So let's see what are cool news of the day. 12th October is observed as the World Arthritis Day. The Indian Olympic Association has confirmed that Goa will host the 37th edition of National Games in October 2023. India's largest two-vehicle manufacturer company, Hero MotoCorp, has entered the electric vehicle market with the launch of new two-wheeler christened Hero Vida 6. Gandhi Museum, built by the Aditya Birla Group in collaboration with the Gandhian Society, is opened in New Jersey, USA. The Reserve Bank of India has said that it will soon commence limited pilot launches of e-rupee or central bank digital currency or digital rupee for specific use cases. So it's a quiz time, and the first question is, when does World Arthritis Day is observed? Your options are 1st October, 11th October, 12th October and 21st October. Next question is, what was the name of the vegetarian crocodile that lived in the pond of Sri Anant Padmanabha Swami Temple, Kerala? And your options are Jabia, Babia, Fabia and none of the above. So this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination. Seats are very limited, so hurry up. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to hit like button, comment your valuable feedback and also press the subscribe button to never miss any update. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. Thank you and see you tomorrow.